Check out the key for this 2010 Honda Accord. This is a floppy key. The metal blade is falling apart. Makes it really hard to try and start the engine of the vehicle. I'm Mike with Tom's Key Company. Let me show you how easy Tom's Key has made it for you to make a spare key or fob for your vehicle. This works on Honda Accords from 2008 to 2012 and a lot of other Hondas too. We cover models from 1995 to 2025 and we're always working to add more. Come visit tomskey.com. We've even got this awesome key by photo service, so your new keys can be cut, already matching your existing working key. It's important for you to know, you've got to have one working key for Tom's Key Company to help you make a spare. Check this out, the new key arrived. Key by photo service did wonders, and it fits. Look at this. Turns the lock, but it won't start the car. The car just dies. That's because this key hasn't been programmed. Okay, watch this. I scan the QR code with my camera, open up the instructions, and it gives me two options. I can just add one key, or I can erase all but one key. This erase all but one key is really helpful. Let's say you have one key like this, and you know you've lost a key that you don't want anybody to be able to start your vehicle. So you can erase all but one key. Today, this is the only key I have for this 2010 Honda Accord. So I'm going to do the erase all but one key. Now, if you already have some existing keys at home and you don't want to erase those, you just proceed right to add one key. Okay, let's erase all the lost keys in the world. Here we go. It's going to walk me through each step-by-step instruction. In a vehicle, close the doors. All existing keys must be present. This is the new key. Proceed with the vehicle in park. The engine turned off. We got to find the cable, and it mentions this, remove a security label. Sometimes these programmers, it depends kind of on the manufacturing. Sometimes they'll have a security label on the end here. And if that's the case, remove it, it leaves a void label. If you get one that looks like this, or the security label is kind of falling off, don't worry about it. You can just go ahead and proceed. It's not going to damage anything. The reason for that is once this is used, it's paired to your VIN number. So it can be only used for one vehicle. Honda has a limit of 5 keys programmed to a single vehicle. So let's proceed. All right, tells me all the vehicles. I've got an Accord 2010. So it's right there. We got to find dial position number 2. Point to number 2. Next, insert a working key and turn the engine on. The engine's running. Come look around by the gas and brake pedal. Plug this program in right there. It can be anywhere up here. Sometimes they're even hidden behind a plastic panel you pop open. There, did you hear a beep? There, we know it's plugged in properly. It's important to know, you want to make sure you're not draining the vehicle battery. Be sure your headlights are turned off. You've got the HVAC turned off. If it's a hot day, roll down the windows. You don't want to drain the vehicle battery and have the vehicle computer struggling to get power during programming. Okay, next. Put on the seatbelt. Not necessary, but it keeps the vehicle from beeping while you're listening for the easy installer. Now, there's a warning here. The next several steps are time sensitive. Do each step within 15 seconds. After completing the step, press next to continue. If the easy installer beeps in error, select restart to go back to step 1 and try again. All right, so I'm going to push and release this button, and we'll hear it beep. Here we go. I heard a beep. Okay, hit next. When it beeps twice, beep twice, turn off the ignition, remove the key. Beeped once. Insert the new key. Here's the new key. Put it in, turn it to the on position, don't start the engine, and it beeped twice. Turn the ignition off. Easy installer will beep. Listen. Okay. Turn the ignition on with the same key. Don't start the engine. Hit next. 10 seconds, it'll beep. There we go. Turn the ignition off. Heard it beep. Turn it on with the same key. There we go. It gave us the success tune. That's awesome. Okay, start the engine, test the key. All right, moment of truth. This thing should now be programmed. Boom, look at that. We got a new key. Okay. Test the buttons on the remote. Let's see if my buttons work. Whoa, look at that. Does this one even work? Woohoo! Okay, I got a spare key. No more floppy key for this Honda Accord. Let's see if these buttons still work. Yep, these buttons still work. Super, this is awesome. Be sure to look for the Ultimate Key Bundle on tomskey.com. It has everything you need to make a spare. The programmer, the key or fob, and the key by photo service. Before you can program your new key, you need to get it cut. Tom's Key Company has our key by photo service. When you check out from our website, you can select to have us cut the key before we ship it to you. And then you'll simply take 3 photos of your existing key, upload those after you've placed your order. Using the photos you provide, we'll cut your new key to match, and then when it arrives, it's already cut and ready to be programmed to your vehicle. I'll warn you, some of these Honda keys, when they arrive, can be a little rough going into the lock. And so if that's the case, if it doesn't want to go in or doesn't go in smoothly, we'll recut it for you and fix it. But to save yourself the time of shipping back and forth, you may find it easier to grab a file and just round off the edges here. Okay, isn't that awesome? New key fits. Who knew? Boom! Can you believe how easy that was to make a spare key with just one existing working key? That seriously took less than 10 minutes to make a spare key without leaving home. While you're at tomskey.com, you may want to pick up one of these tile key finders. Just put this guy under your key ring, pair it with your smartphone, and then your phone will have a record of where your car keys are at. It'll make it way easier to find them if they're lost. And just for fun, you can actually find your phone with this by clicking the button if you've lost your phone around the house. At Tom's Key Company, we know you come here because you need a spare key for your vehicle. And if it doesn't work for your vehicle, let our customer service team know, and they'll refund your money. It's that easy. So if you run into any problems, reach out to us, help@tomskey.com, and we're here to take care of you. Now, if you had a car dealership quote you a rip-off price for a spare key, leave a comment down below. Let everybody know how easy it was with the help of Tom's Key Company for you to make a spare key for your vehicle. Go to tomskey.com and place your order so you can get a spare key made in no time.